My channel. If you are returning and if you're new, please hit like and please subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see how I did this natural glam look, please check out the video that way. Thanks so much, guys. Hey guys, I've already pre-done my eyebrows, so I get a lot of compliments about my eyebrows. So if you guys want to see how I achieve my eyebrows, then please comment down below and I'll do a tutorial on it. Okay, let's get started. So I'm gonna prep my face with the e.l.f. primer. Just need like a little drop, a little small, not that much. I'm gonna be using is Lancôme. It's bomb.com, ladies. You need to get this. Like, it make your face look so smooth, and it's really hard to find a good foundation like to match my skin tone. So this one is really good. I'm a color 470, so you can go to any Ulta Beauty or Sephora, I think Macy's, and they'll help you match whatever color you are. So I'm gonna take a few squirts and just dab. Whole face. Sometimes I'll get like my ears too. Make sure you go under the neck. It's very important because you don't want that circled look. Then I'm gonna take some concealer. This is by Tart. Comes in this little purple box, and it's a number 425. It's called Tan Sand, but really and truly, I think I want to take this back and get like a shade darker. But I can still work with it for now and blend it. But I'm thinking about taking it back. I think I need a shade darker than this. So, I'm going to put, like I said, under my eyes, because you see how that deep crease is. And I'm very dark under my eyes. It's like inherited. My mom has the same thing. So, I'm going to put under my eyes. Okay, now I'm gonna take my contour. This is by Anastasia, Beverly Hills. What color is this? Walnut. So you just spring it up. Been using it for quite some time, as you can see. It's pretty good. And I go from my ear down to about right here, close to where my lip is, about an inch from my lip. And I'm gonna go to the other side. Okay, I'm gonna put my blush on. Smile at the haters. Remember what I said? It's fake smile. And I'm just brushing upwards. Not too much, just a little bit. See? Look at that highlight. Highlight, honey. And now I'm gonna put some lashes. These are mink 3D lashes that I got from my local beauty supply store. And I just use regular bonding hair glue. I don't really like the eyelash glue because it turns up white, and I like to remove my lashes when I get home. I don't really sleep with them. I don't really like stuff glued to my eyes. I'm gonna use Morphe. It's the box it comes in. This is Virgin. It's like a light pink kind of. So I'm just gonna line my lips. Pretty much done for the natural glam. So I want to thank you, Beauties, so much for watching, and please like and please subscribe to my channel, and remember, you are beautiful. Thank you.